Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and reduce file size for Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically, the first thing that we want to do is to simply press Ctrl M on our keyboard and it will take us to the export page right here. And if we navigate through the estimated file size, we can then go ahead and see that this file will take around 10 megabytes. Now, if you want to go ahead and lower this down, the first thing that you want to simply modify is the preset right here. So you then want to go ahead and make sure that you choose something like a match source high bitrate or a match source medium bitrate, because most of the time it will then be selected to the adaptive high bitrate right here. And as you can see, it will consume at least 21 megabytes of size, which is not ideal if you're just recording in 1080p. Now, if you want to go ahead and choose something like match source high bitrate, you can just click on the more presets right here, search for medium bitrate, and from here you can then go ahead and click on it and click on OK. And as you can see, it will then lower down our estimated file size right here. You can just go ahead and modify or choose the right preset in your case. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through the video settings right here. And inside, you then want to simply change the frame rate. Because for example, if you have something like 60 frames per second selected, it will then go ahead and simply maximize or make the file size larger. But to go ahead and reduce this, you can just go ahead and choose a lower frames per second. Now let's say that we choose something like 24 frames, it will then lower our frame rate right here with our file size. You can also go ahead and adjust this with the frame size. In my case, I'm going to choose Full HD 1080p. And from there, the last thing that we want to add it is to simply navigate through the bitrate settings right here. And from here, in my case, let's go ahead and say that I have something like a 55 bitrate. You can then go ahead and see that it will make the file size larger. So you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. And if you're satisfied with your file size, you can just go ahead and export your video. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.